Okra is a fascinating plant, often celebrated for its versatility and nutritional benefits. This green pod-like vegetable is not only a staple in many kitchens, but also a symbol of culinary diversity. It thrives in warm climates, making it a popular crop in regions with hot summers and mild winters. The plant's resilience and adaptability are truly remarkable. Many people enjoy its unique taste and texture, which can range from slightly crunchy to delightfully tender, depending on how it's prepared. This vegetable, with its intriguing pod-like shape, is a staple in many cuisines around the world. Its versatility allows it to be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and stir-fries. From Africa to Asia, okra adds a distinct flavor and texture to dishes. In African cuisine, it's often used in hearty stews, while in Asian cooking it can be found in stir-fries and curries. Okra also boasts a nutritional punch, being rich in vitamins A and C, as well as fiber. These nutrients contribute to overall health and well-being. It's a good source of vitamins and fiber, which are essential for maintaining a healthy diet. The seeds inside the pods are also edible and add an extra layer of texture. This makes it a healthy addition to any diet, whether you're looking to boost your vitamin intake or simply enjoy a delicious vegetable. Its versatility shines through in cooking, allowing chefs and home cooks alike to experiment with various recipes and techniques. Whether fried, stewed, or pickled, okra always delivers a satisfying culinary experience. Its ability to absorb flavors and complement other ingredients makes it a favorite in many households. Large-scale okra farming relies on efficiency. Harvesting is a crucial first step. Massive machines move across vast fields. These mechanical marvels are designed to pick okra carefully. They pluck the pods without damaging the plant. This ensures a continuous harvest cycle. The freshly picked okra then embarks on a journey. It travels from the field to the factory in large containers. Speed is essential. This ensures the okra remains fresh and vibrant. Technology plays a crucial role in processing okra. Once at the factory, machines take over. Specialized equipment separates the pods. It removes the stems and leaves. This process, known as shelling, happens quickly and efficiently. Next comes cleaning. Okra travels along conveyor belts. Water jets gently wash away any remaining debris. This ensures that only the cleanest okra moves forward. The entire process is a marvel of engineering. Section 4. Preserving freshness, the art of packaging. Packaging is the final stage in okra's journey from the farm to the table. It is a crucial step that ensures the vegetables remain fresh and appealing to consumers. Before reaching consumers, freshness must be preserved through meticulous handling and packaging techniques. Machines carefully weigh and sort the okra, ensuring that only the best quality produce makes it to the packaging stage. They then package it in various sizes and formats, catering to different market needs and consumer preferences. Some okra is destined for its fresh, whole form, which is highly sought after for its natural taste and texture. This requires refrigeration to maintain quality, preventing spoilage and extending shelf life. Other okra might be chopped, frozen or canned, providing versatile options for different culinary uses. Each packaging method aims to lock in freshness, flavor, and nutritional value, ensuring the best possible product reaches the consumer. This ensures consumers enjoy okra at its best, whether it's fresh, frozen, or canned, making it a versatile addition to any meal. Section 5. The future of farming, efficiency and sustainability. Modern agriculture relies on technology. Machines like okra harvesters are revolutionizing the industry. They improve efficiency and reduce waste. This allows farmers to produce more food with fewer resources. Sustainability is a growing concern. Advanced farming techniques address this. Precision harvesting minimizes damage to plants and soil. This ensures the long-term health of the land. Section 6. A delicious destination. The journey of okra from farm to factory is remarkable. It begins in the vast sun-drenched fields where okra plants thrive under the care of dedicated farmers. These fields, stretching as far as the eye can see, are a testament to the hard work and dedication that goes into cultivating this unique vegetable. It highlights the intersection of agriculture and technology. Farmers today use advanced machinery and techniques to ensure the best yield. They meticulously inspect each plant, ensuring that only the finest okra makes it to the next stage of its journey. Each step from harvesting to packaging ensures that this versatile vegetable reaches our tables. Workers carefully pick the okra, handling each pod with care to maintain its quality. The packaging process is equally meticulous, designed to preserve the freshness and flavor of the okra. So next time you enjoy a delicious okra dish, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took. Whether it's grilled, fried, or stewed, each bite is a culmination of countless hours of labor and love. Sharing a meal with loved ones, we often overlook the story behind the food on our plates. From the field to our plates, okra's story is a testament to human ingenuity and the bounty of nature. It's a journey that connects us to the land and the people who work tirelessly to bring this humble vegetable to our tables. So let's celebrate okra and the incredible journey it undertakes to become a part of our meals.